everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Brave browser on your PC or on your laptop. So to start, you need to open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever you like. Let's expand this. And in here, tap on the search bar and type in Brave browser download. Now click on the first link. So make sure it's in the official website. So tap on the first link. So once you click that link, it will bring you to this page right here where you can download Brave browser. Now here at the bottom left, you can see Get Brave for Windows. You can also download it for macOS or Linux, or you can also tap on Get Brave at the top right to download the app. So I'm just going to click on Get Brave right here at the top right, and it will be downloaded to my PC right away. So what you can do here is to click on these. So next, what you need to do is to click on this folder icon. Now look for Brave browser setup and just double tap on that to run it to your PC or laptop. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Tap on yes. So as you can see, it's now installing. Just wait for it to finish. So it usually takes a few minutes. And once installed, it will be open instantly. So here you can use Brave browser just like usual. And that's how you can install Brave browser on your PC or laptop. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.